Hello students, today we are on our 6th standard JK subject. Today we will learn about lesson number 61, famous first, lesson number 62, the universe, lesson number 63, fields of science, and lesson number 64, mixed bag. So let's start our video from our lesson number 61, famous first. This lesson will give us information about the world. Here is information given. Write the names of these famous people by using the help box. Help box is given to you right here on the corner of lesson of page number 67. First, name the Portuguese explorer who sailed around the world from 1519 to 1592. 1522. He was Ferdinand Magellan. For the reference of spelling, you can see the help box. Second number, the first who men to reach the top of Mount Everest on 29th May 1953 were Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Third number, the European explorer born in Italy known to have discovered America was Christopher Columbus. Fourth number, the first voyage from Europe around Africa to India was made because European traders wanted to find a sea route to India instead of going overland. It was made by a Portuguese explorer in 1497. His name was वास्को द गामा. और आज भी इंडिया के गोवा में वास्को नाम का एक सिटी भी है उसके नाम से. फिफ्थ नंबर, ही वॉज अ कर्शियन सोल्जर हु क्राउन हिमसेल्फ एम्परर ऑफ फ्रांस इन 1804. ही वॉज फाइनली डिफीटेड एट द बैटल ऑफ वाटरलू इन 1815. हु वॉज ही? ही वॉज नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. सिक्स नंबर, he is regarded as the driving force behind the creation of Germany. He said problem should be settled by blood and iron. Because of this, he was known as the Iron Chancellor. Who was he? He was Bismarck, the Chancellor of Germany. 7 number, no American president today is allowed to serve for more than 10 consecutive years. Who was the first to be president of the USA 4 times in 1932, 1936, 1940 and 1944. मतलब ये इकलौता ऐसे अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट था जो कंटिन्यूस 4 टाइम्स अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट था. और अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट का जो टेन्योर होता है वो 4 इयर्स का होता है. और अभी के रूल्स के अनुसार कोई भी प्रेसिडेंट 2 बार से ज़्यादा टाइम पे प्रेसिडेंट नहीं रह सकता. उसके बाद में उसको रिटायरमेंट लेनी पड़ती है. ही वॉज फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट. 8 नंबर, ही वॉज बॉर्न इन जर्मनी इन 1818 एंड डाइड इन ब्रिटेन इन 1883. ही रोट द कम्युनिस्ट मैनिफेस्टो एंड दास कैपिटल. हु वॉज ही? ही वॉज कार्ल मार्क. तो स्टूडेंट्स, this way we have completed lesson number 61, famous artists. Next, the universe. This lesson is based on science. The universe includes space, stars, planets and other forms of matter and energy. Tick the correct answer. Total 8 questions are given and every question has their 3 options. First, a shooting star is actually a space object that crashes on the earth. It starts burning as it enters the earth's atmosphere and it's called a meteor. मतलब जैसे ही वो अर्थ के सरफेस में एंटर करता है वो जल जाता है. सेकंड, द फोर्स दैट होल्ड्स ऑल द मैटर्स इन द यूनिवर्स टुगेदर इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी. और इसी कारण हम भी हमेशा ज़मीन से चिपके हुए रहते हैं because of the gravitational force of the earth. Third, a point where gravity is so strong and it sucks everything in, including light, is called a black hole. Option C. Fourth, Scientists believe that the expansion of the universe began with a big explosion called the option A, Big Bang. Fifth number question. The unit used to measure distance in space is called option B, light year. And the speed of light is near about 3 lakh km per second. 6. Large dark spots move across the surface of the sun, contracting and expanding as they go. They are called option A, sunspots. Question number 7. Bright objects with long tails seen moving around the sun are known as option A, comets. 8 number. An imaginary circular, oval or conical pathway of a planet, star or space object is called its option A, orbit. Question number 63. Fields of science. The study of science has many fields and specializations. Answer the following using the help box. First, dealing with sound is acoustics. You can refer the spellings from the help box given on page number 69 over here. Second, structure of body, anatomy. Third, prehistoric remains, paleontology. Fourth, dealing with cells is cytology. Fifth number, relation of animals and plants to their environment is ecology. Sixth number, nature and properties of light is optics. Seventh number, the science of space research, astronautics. Eighth number, art of garden cultivation is known as horticulture. 9 number, the study of origin and structure of rocks is known as petrology. 10 number question, the science of growing fruits is pomology. Okay, this is our lesson number 63, field of science. Later on, next lesson is mixed bag. First, who discovered the law of gravity? He was option A, Isaac Newton. Second number question, what is a plant eating animal called? It is called herbivore. कार्निवोर होते हैं जो अदर एनिमल्स को ईट करते हैं, और ओमनीवोर जो बोथ मतलब हार्बीवोर भी होते हैं और कार्निवोर भी, मतलब जो प्लांट्स को भी खाते हैं और अदर नॉन वेज मीट को भी. वी आर द ओमनीवोर. ह्यूमंस आर ओमनीवोर्स, डॉग्स आर ऑल्सो ओमनीवोर्स, कैट्स. थर्ड नंबर, व्हाट इज द सॉलिड आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ कॉल्ड? इट्स ऑप्शन ए, लिथोस्फीयर. क्वेश्चन 4, विच फूड इज रिच इन कैल्शियम? मिल्क. मतलब मिल्क में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या होता है? मिल्क में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम हेल्प्स टू बिल्ड आवर बोन्स. फिफ्थ नंबर, व्हाट इज डाइल्यूटेड एसिटिक एसिड कॉमनली नोन एज? ऑप्शन ए, विनेगर. सिक्स, द थ्री रेयर गैसेस आर नियॉन, आर्गॉन एंड xenon. Option C. 7 number question, what is a baby frog called? It's called tadpole. Option C. Question number 8, heat travels in 3 ways: conduction, convection and radiation. Option C. Then 9th number question, lead that is used in making pencils is a form of, option B, graphite. Graphite is a mineral. So students, this was our 6th standard GK questions, and these were our lessons 61, 62, 63 and 64. Thank you.